It's starter replacement time. Because the car wouldn't start. Alright. Removed. Used to be here. Battery is over there. This airbox was over here. And that's the starter motor right there. That big ol' rusty thing. Alright, this bracket goes in those two spots right there, and it kind of goes over top of this air vent thingy. I took out, so I'm undoing these bolts, these three. This long bolt and that small one go into this thing, and this thing goes over the battery like this, and then the long bolt goes down there and sort of hooks into something, and it sits on top of the battery like that. So here's the starter. There's a bolt, there's a big bolt and a second big bolt, and this thing is like an electrical connection here. Kind of looks like you unbolt that bolt, and that bolt holds into place this like electrical sheathing. Bolts, short bolts, and they're all out. No more bolts, no more connections. Oh, this thing is right there. It kind of looks similar to that one for the battery. It's the same size. All right, so this guy is out. Just wiggled him out of there, and seems a little bit worn. And it's probably this like rusty electrical thing that's the part that's gone bad. But anyway, old starter over here and new starter over here. Oh look, they actually gave me a new bolt. Hopefully everything works. Oh, they even gave me new hardware for this. They did not give me new hardware for that. I realized as I began to unbolt this that this doesn't go anywhere, so it just stays in there. It just keeps this thing together. I love this contrast, like dirty, ooh, shiny. Dirty, ooh, shiny. Ooh, look at that copper. Alright, all bolted back in. There is one small problem with this electrical connector, which is that it just slides in and out, so it's like friction fitted, which is not good. And that honestly might have been the issue, not the starter itself. Ta-da! Everything is back in. Nothing is loose. Box. Everything is plugged in. So hopefully my car works better now.